The crafting course has come out a few years ago. We were talking about the lack crafting in general and the lack of interest in some of the youngsters. But we said no, there are a few, and we were saying to ourselves as a family, if we can get any of the youngsters involved in it, it would be great. So the course came about, and we have 7 students who come over here, sometimes twice a week, sometimes but once a week, one day a week anyway, we try to have them. We go through all the various aspects of crafting as we can. It would be a textbook thing, because weather and other facilities change, and you have to be flexible. And we told them this from the start, and that was willing, because you can't say one day you're going to do X and weather's against us. So we're we're flexible. We started off with the children when they started in August. Our lambs were ready for sale. So the first thing they were doing was their batching lambs. We went through them to sex them. We told them the ewe lambs we wanted to keep, what I was looking for, and then asking them to make up their own decisions. We went there from cutting corn. We started off with the old scythe, which they had never seen, and so I cut some corn for them. We hand tied it, stuck it up. They were involved in this. Some enjoyed it. They tell me they are anyway, and so if they say they're happy, I'm happy. We try and give them a wee bit of history as well, because I believe that they have to know where crafting came from to know where it stands today, because they'll have a better understanding. It's all very well looking back and say the good old days. They were good in a sense, but they were hard old days, and we all want to make life that bit easier for us, for ourselves. So we're trying and give them a mixture of everything. Springtime comes along then, and we get them out again the old-fashioned way. There are plenty of mugs, big tractors, mug spreaders and whatnot, but it was all done spread by hand, so we made them spread it by hand. And this year there's something new. We have trials going along here in the crafting use. We have a Dutch lady over. She works with a Scottish Agricultural College, and she's doing trials with different kinds of oat. And we have the children gone involved in the monitoring of this, which is something new again. We go on then from various things. We'll be going on some to sheep shearing, getting everything else ready. Cultivate. Well, we've been just at the cultivating stage. We try not to get them involved with machinery just now. If nothing else, health and safety kind of doesn't allow us, and there's all these aspects of it that we have to watch. But they're a great bunch of lads. They're enjoying it, we're enjoying it, and long may it continue.